Hey guys, welcome back. So Samsung is heavily upgrading its next gen Galaxy S22 Ultra for the upcoming launch. Today we got some more crazy new updates for this device which will definitely blow your mind. Also, the Samsung's official box for the new 45-watt fast charger has also been leaked. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So first of all, some information from Z Tech Care. He says Samsung will bring the insane level of low latency with the S Pen, which means riding on this bad boy will feel more supernatural. And if you guys know, back in the days Samsung had introduced 9 millisecond delay on the Note 20 Ultra, but here you will get even lower, about 2.8 millisecond delay with the S22 Ultra. Now this is super crazy. We're using the S Pen on this device will feel like riding on a paper. The YouTuber also added that this is the most realistic and fastest S Pen experience with 3 times improved latency. Moving on to the cameras, Samsung will add a super clear lens for the main 108 megapixel sensor on the S22 Ultra, and this is a brand new Gorilla Glass which will not only protect the camera lens but also maximize the clarity and details without capturing any reflection in the nighttime photos, which actually is a big issue on the current gen smartphones right now, especially with the iPhones. I wish that all the sensors could have this Gorilla Glass protection so that all the cameras can take full advantage of this, but let's see how this lens gonna work for the main camera. Talking about the main 108 megapixel camera, Ice Universe says that the primary sensor would be wider than the S21 Ultra, and the S21 Ultra's main camera was also wider than the previous generation S20 Ultra. So looks like more area can be captured directly from the main camera of the S22 Ultra. Now moving on to the display, the Galaxy S22 Plus and S22 Ultra, you get 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, means the colors will be extra accurate and saturated, especially when viewing HDR video content. Both of the models will achieve peak brightness that's higher than ever before at a peak brightness of 1750 nits. This is not only beats the old flagship Galaxy devices but can also easily beat the competition like Apple. Here comes the official charger box for the 45-watt power delivery adapter by Samsung, which will help to quickly charge your smartphone, and this is a Type-C to Type-C power delivery, which means you guys can also charge other electronic devices like laptops, tablet, power banks and many more. It also looks pretty compact, so carrying this adapter while traveling would be hassle-free. Now comes to the specifications, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will offer a 6.8-inch display with 1440p resolution, 2 times the dynamic AMOLED panel and 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Under the hood, the device will be powered by 2 different chipsets depending on the region, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and Exynos 2200, so the performance will be top notch here. The handset is also said to have a massive 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast wired charging, which can charge up 0 to 70% in 35 minutes. 15-watt wireless charging and 4.5-watt of reverse wireless charging. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and if you have any question related to this smartphone, do let me know in the comment section. If you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.